thunderstorm warning for western Baca County in southeastern Colorado, southeastern Los Animas County in southeastern Colorado until 6:15 p.m. At 5:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles west of Bridgeton, or 25 miles west of Springfield, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pritchett and Kim. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
All switches zeros, line lock for sun use.